Hi everybody, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure to verify your PayPal account. To verify your PayPal account, first of all verify your email address. Do this as soon as you're done creating your account by tapping on the link in the email PayPal sends. As you've done with the email, next you need to add a bank or credit card. Now there is an official way you could do this to verify, such as submitting your ID and all that, but you could verify your PayPal account by just linking a bank account. To do this, you need to tap on the menu bar from the top right corner of your screen and go to your wallet. As soon as you click the your wallet section, click on add credit card and then click on debit or credit card. Then you want to click on enter your card information. And once you're done entering the following card information, then you have to select the required details, and then you have to complete the bank confirmation, that is using a test deposit. So PayPal will send you a too small deposit to link or to your linked bank account, and you'll need to track or check your bank transaction for these deposits and retrieve the exact amount and enter them into your PayPal, and that way you'll be able to verify your PayPal account. So this way you can do it. And next, if requested, you could also upload your ID and all that, and that's how you could do it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.